Eto guys, may nakita po ako na bagong loan application sa Google Play Store, which is, ang pwede mo daw pong mautang dito is 50,000 pesos. Medyo marami-rami na rin po yung nakapag-rate dito guys, at hindi ko alam guys kung bagong loan application to. So check natin kung anong loan application siya before, kasi kung makikita mo dito guys, ang pangalan nito is MoneySnap Safe Credit Loan under ng e-lending, Lending Incorporated. So, may 4.6 stars na po ito at 36,000 reviews. So, akalain mo guys, ganun kaagad kadami. Pero bago yung pangalan niya para sa akin guys. At kung makikita mo nga dito, 50,000 pesos with daily interest rate of 0.05%. Yan, online application and simple application process. Quick approval after application. So, MoneySnap talaga guys yung pangalan niya. So, wala siyang clue kung anong application to before. So, alamin natin guys, baka kasi bagong maasahan na to, lalo't galing sa Google Play Store, pero hindi ibig sabihin na na-download ko siya doon is recommended na siya kaagad. So, check natin muna kung magkano yung pwede niyang i-offer, lalo't first timer po tayo na mag-a-apply dito. At, syempre, bilang mangungutang na may bad credit history, mapapa-approve kaya tayo ng MoneySnap. So, bago natin guys alamin yung mga yan, syempre kung hindi ka pa po nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and be updated lagi sa ating mga latest vlogs. At i-announce ko na rin po yung ating first lucky winner for today's video. So, bali guys, dalawang lucky winner yung kukunin ko para sa video na to. So, yan, congratulations po sa'yo. Stay active and stay connected. Ayan, kung gusto nyo rin sumali sa aking pa-cellphone giveaway, nako, monthly po yun. Ang gagawin mo lang po is magla-like ng video na to at mag-iiwan ng comment dyan sa comment section. So, for those na hindi pa nananalo, huwag kayong mag-alala guys. Marami pa pong pagkakataon at marami na rin dyan paulit-ulit na nananalo. Kaya huwag kayong bibitaw guys. Anyways, puntahan na natin itong si MoneySnap kasi di mo aakalain na sobrang dami na agad ng nag-review sa loan application na to. So, check natin guys. So, if you're interested, keep watching. So, disclaimer na guys, hindi po tayo agent or promoter nito. So, sa katunayan nga, ngayon ko pa lang siya a-applyin para maipakita sa inyo guys kung okay yung application. So, ito guys is available sa Google Play Store. Nasabi ko naman kanina. And, yan, in-applyan ko na siya. And dito guys, ito po yung mga nakalagay. May authorization instruction. Click ko lang yung accept. As easy register daw po pala itong si MoneySnap. And yan, 50,000 pesos yung offer na may loan term po na 91 days up to 360 days. Yan, apply now tayo guys. Siyempre kapag wala ka pa pong account dito, magre-register ka using your active mobile number. And dito guys sa MoneySnap, from 1,000 po yung offer niya to 50,000 pesos. Siyempre kapag ikaw po ay first time, huwag ka pong aasa na malaki po agad yung offer nila. So click natin yung apply now para malaman na natin kung magkano. So dito guys, ito po yung mga fill upan mo dito, no? So, yung reason for loan application. So, pwede dito guys kapag ikaw ay retired, self-employed, student, housewife, fisherman, farmer, unemployed, pwede po dito mag-apply, no? And dito guys, yan kung saan ka nagtatrabaho, kung magkano yung monthly income mo, then kung married ka, yan personal details na to guys, no? And then dito guys, sa contact information, 3 number po, maghanda ka po ng 3 contact list. At ito po sa mga ID, no? Pwede po yung UMID, SSS, passport, driving license, PRC, postal ID, electronic, pwede rin, GSIS ID, and PhilHealth ID. And after nun guys, eto, your loan application has been successfully submitted. We are currently assessing your credit. So, please be patient and review. And the review is expected to be completed within 15 minutes. So, hindi na umabot guys sa 15 minutes yung pag-aantay ko dito guys. At lumabas na po kaagad itong didn't pass review. So, parang nakakasura, no? So, hindi mo pa nga nakikita yung loan details kung magkano yung pwedeng ipaloan nila. Tapos, nag-fill up ka ng information mo. Tapos, ganito lang yung madadatnan mo. Didn't pass review. Your application did not pass the credit review. Please prepare new application materials and resubmit for review after 14 days. So, mag-aantay ka po ng 14 days para makapag-apply ulit dito kay MoneySnap. At kung i-check po natin yung mga reviews na meron na dito kay MoneySnap, which is, i-check ko po yung mga critical, no? So, dito guys, fraud because of good payment record. They offered a 50,000 credit limit. Wow, 50,000 yung offer sa kanya. I applied for 20,000 and it's under review. Suddenly, they revoked and returned my limit to 4,000. The lesson here is don't trust them. They will just trick you into paying early, but that's still that credit limit they will offer. Don't trust offer that will increase. So yun guys, nag-offer sila guys ng 4,000 dito sa ating reviewer. And ito nga guys, yung isa pa, to good thing about this app, dito guys, isang review pa. Good thing about this app is they don't threaten you. Wow, wala palang harassment dito guys ha. But high interest rate and fees. Pero may high interest. Bakit kasi in-English? 1,000 yung loan niya guys. You only get 640. So dito guys, nakakuha po siya ng 1,000 pesos. Pero 640 lang po yung na-receive niya. And ito daw po ay 7 days to pay. O diba? So 7 days to pay, 1,000 pesos. Pero hindi mo siya buong mare-receive. At ito ba guys, edited my review. So in-edit niya yung review niya guys. Yeah. Loan disbursement is fast, but payment term is unclear. 156 days to pay starting loan amount, but sets the deadline for the full payment for just a week. Probably a 7 or 14-day repayment terms with fees for small amounts, for small loan amounting up to 3,000 pesos and 30 days for less than 10,000 pesos. So yan guys, yung sabi niya. And ito guys, medyo malalaki-laki yung na-offer nito. So it showed that the loan amount is 9,000 and repayment amount is 9,692. To my surprise, I only received 6,000 pesos. This is a scam. I should have not tried this app. Applied August 11 and repayment is on August 17. O biruin mo guys, 9,000 po yung offer sa kanya. Sa repayment period is 9,692 at ang na-receive niya lang po is 6,000 pesos at ito po ay 7 days to pay. So yan po yung ibang review about dito kay Moneysnap. So based sa review na nabasa natin, si Moneysnap po ay 7 days to pay lang. Hindi mo siya receive ng buo kasi may mga ibabawas. Sabi nga nung isa, mayroon po siyang high loan interest. Kayo na yung magde-decide guys kung magta-try pa rin kayo dito kay Moneysnap kasi nasabi ko naman sa inyo yung ilang review. So matuto tayo na manood ng reviews, magbasa ng reviews bago natin itry yung isang loan application. Pero sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, may kanya-kanya tayong opinion sa isang loan application. May mga bad side talaga dyan at may mga good side. So nasa sa atin na rin talaga kung itatry natin yung isang application. So that's it. Yan lang po yung ating vlog for today. And bago tayo mag-end, announce ko na po muna yung aking second lucky winners for today's video. So congratulations po sa'yo. And claim mo na po yung iyong prizes sa aking Gmail account. PM mo na po ako dyan. And for those sa hindi pa nananalo, so stay connected, stay active. Malay mo ikaw na yung susunod na winner natin. Yan, that's it. Yan lang muna yung vlog natin for today. So, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and be updated lagi sa ating mga vlogs. So, bye na muna for now guys. See you on my next video.